Do you know that physics is a branch of science concerned with the nature and properties of matter and energy? That also distinguish from chemistry and biology and etc.
Given that physics is a wide subject, there's also topics under physics.
First is laws of motion. I'm sorry. Anyway, going back, the topics under physics are laws of motion. Is that physics? The eighth topic of physics?
Yes. Hey little kiddo, are you ready to explore world of physics? If so, let's get started. Imagine you are outside playing catch with your buddies. When you throw that ball, you are creating motion. It's all about how things move. The law of motion says that things will stay still or keep moving unless something like your awesome throw, giving a push or pull. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. Imagine you're a treasure hunt. You take 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 steps up. 1, 2, 3, 4. To find the treasure, you had to draw an arrow from where you started to where you end up. When you do the math, you discover you are actually 5 steps away from your starting point. And let's not forget acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is a change in speed. For example, picture riding your bike. If you start going slow at 5 meters per second and speed up for 15 meters per second in 5 seconds, you are accelerating. This means you are getting faster, like rocket ship at taking off. In this case, you are speeding up by 2 meters per second every second.
Gravity. What is gravity? Think of gravity as a warm, comforting hug, keeping everything nice and secure. It drags you down, so when you do a jump, it returns you to the ground quickly, resembling a small boomerang. The force that pulls objects to one another is called gravity. It controls the orbits around the sun, makes you feel heavy, drops an apple from a tree, and ensures your food stay put instead of floating away.
Free fall. Free fall is like when you jump off the swing and feel like floating before you fall down. It is when something drops without anything stopping it, just like this pen. That's why, regardless of the weight, everything descends at the same rate and same speed. Remember, everything that falls is pulled by what we call gravity. It is like an invisible friend giving you a gently tug. Want to know when something falls? As it falls, gravity pulls it down, make it go faster and faster. It's like a fan slide, no bumps, just a smooth ride on the ground. So when you see something drop, it is like a little free fall adventure. Now, let's tackle about projectile motion. It is like when you throw a ball, first it goes up into the sky, then back it down curve into the ground. It is like a fun roller coaster ride. Gravity pull it back down, so it's making sure it lands safely. So every time you throw something, you're making a little adventure happen in the sky. It's like a fun little dance where the ball first goes up, reaches tippy top, and it comes down and following a lovely curved path. When you throw it harder, it will reach us higher and farther. It's like trying to reach the cloud.
Friction is a force that holds back the movement of any object. For example, riding a bike. Friction occurs on the wheel of the bike and the ground. The smoother the surface, the less the friction. The rougher the surface, the more friction. Picture this. You are at the playground and you push a swing. The swing moves, but as it swings back, the air and the ground slow it down. That is friction. For example, when you slide the book across a table, friction is what makes it slow down and stop. It is like a gentle hand saying, "Whoa there!"
Now kids, let's move to math. So,
What is mass? Mass is a total amount of matter in an object or a person. Mass always stays the same. Example, a baby, mass of a book, or mass of a chair. And lastly, weight. Weight is the force acting on the object due to the acceleration of gravity. Unlike mass, weight can change depending on how much gravity is acting upon an object. For example, your body's mass is a set value, but your weight is different on the moon compared with on the earth because of the change in gravity. That's all for now. Thanks for joining this fun exploration of physics. Always remember, science is all around us, everything and everywhere. Until next time, kiddos. Bye!